1. I have better than average prowess at employing the English language, writing, and speaking. If you invested time looking around greeneranetwork.org or my other current website, ghostswhodreamofchildren.com, you will see what I mean. I have mad skills with various writing styles, from poetry, fun but not monetarily valuable, and weird humor, might attract attention for serious goals, through editorial and satire, if you'd like to make a point, and into advertising copy. If I can't present a rational and attention-getting argument as to why your potential customer base should consider spending a little loot on your product or service, it's possible you are in the wrong business. Number 2, I have nearly as much time invested in producing and managing websites as there has been such a thing as a website. In the late 1990s, I was the technical writer, worked in the engineering department for Micron Computer. This involved learning what engineers required in order to properly assemble, load software, QA, and test high-quality computers. With all this in mind, I interfaced with production floor management and workers, many of whom had never touched a computer before they were hired, in order to write instructions that a non-engineer can follow. Once that was done, the last step was to publish these instructions, along with illustrations and pictures, to our intranet, essentially an internal internet. I maintained these web pages on dozens of products and for each step in the manufacturing process. With 3 or 4 other people, I share a U.S. patent for the idea and real-world implementation of what had previously never been done: publish production instructions on a corporate intranet. I learned hypertext markup language, also known as HTML, when it was in version 1 point something, and when the practical way to write the code was using simple text editors like EditPad, much more functional than Notepad. Since those early days, I have published and maintained online content, most of it my own, using whatever useful, time-saving tools became available. In addition to these skills, I have all the equipment required to compose and publish all the text, pictures, and video blather you see here. It all fits in a backpack. If you wanted to publish your own commercial, for example, I could come to your location, help you write the script, capture the video and edit it, then upload it to YouTube or wherever, and embed it into a page on your website or Facebook or wherever. 4. In addition to these services, and perhaps better, I can teach you how to do all these things. After all, they aren't particularly complicated to learn now. At Micron Computer, I was the trainer who taught new employees enough about computer basics that they could feel comfortable working with them. At the Boise Unitarian Universalist Fellowship several years back, I taught several classes on computer and internet basics. I am a patient and knowledgeable educator, perfect for treating your technophobia or for your elderly mother who wants to be able to move beyond swapping email with her grandkids. If there's a relatively common computer-related skill you would like to learn, I'm your guy. If I don't know enough about it, I'll learn about it first. I don't need an excuse for learning new skills. If any of the above reflects your needs, I'm a very reasonable guy, in both common senses of reasonable. We should be able to negotiate a price that is mutually beneficial. Currently, the price I intend to charge for business services is based on $20 per hour, which could be the best deal in town considering my abilities. If that seems too expensive to take me seriously, bear in mind that I not only live a frugal lifestyle. If you insisted, I would be willing to charge you more if it helped you sleep at night. My name is Jim, and I am endeavoring to contribute to a new zeitgeist, an ecologically and economically green era. You should come to the Greenbelt. It's beautiful here.